In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Never Log email feature in Hubspot. This practical guide will help you maintain control over email logging, ensuring that sensitive or irrelevant email content does not make its way into your CRM records. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to direct your browser to HubSpot's official website. If you haven't already bookmarked it, simply type in hubspot.com and hit enter. On the homepage, you'll find a familiar interface that is both user-friendly and intuitive, designed to cater to all your business management needs. Once there, proceed to the top right corner of the page and click on Log In. Enter the required credentials to access your HubSpot account. If you're managing multiple accounts, make sure you're logging into the one where you want this feature set up. This step is crucial because it determines where the email logging rules will apply. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home interface. This is your central hub for navigating through all HubSpot tools, and it's where the magic begins. Look towards the top of the page, where you'll see a gear icon representing settings. Clicking this will take you to a new page filled with various customization options for your account. Here in the settings, you'll spot an email option on the left side of the page. Selecting this option allows you to manage everything related to email settings within HubSpot, including the very feature we're focusing on today, the Never Log feature. Next, scroll through the email settings until you find an option that says Add Emails or Domains. Clicking this will open a field where you can input specific email addresses or even entire domains that you wish to exclude from logging. It's a powerful feature, allowing you to ensure private communications remain private or to avoid cluttering your records with unnecessary data. After you've inputted the desired emails or domains, you're almost done. The next move involves clicking on the highlight option, which allows you to finalize your settings and effectively apply the never log rule to the selected entries. This highlights the addresses or domains you've added, confirming they are now exempt from logging activities. And there you have it, you've successfully set up the Never Log feature in HubSpot. By keeping sensitive or personalized email content out of your CRM, you're not only enhancing data security, but also streamlining your workflow by minimizing irrelevant data entries. If you followed along with these steps, congratulations on taking control of your email logging. Feel free to revisit any part of this tutorial as needed, and don't hesitate to explore other settings available in HubSpot that can further optimize your business operations. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.